Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Spice Development Scheme. What is the key objective of this scheme? To encourage farmers to produce good quality and disease-free planting materials and to grow improved varieties of high-yielding spices. What is the type of assistance? Service. Distribution of planting materials and plant protection inputs to identified clusters. What is the pattern of assistance? The produce from the government farm, umsning, and approved farmers' nurseries are sold directly to the growers through district horticulture officers, implementing officers at full rate. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers engaged in agriculture owning agricultural land or leased land. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest horticulture development officer of a CNRD block, horticulture circle, or district horticulture officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first-come, first-served basis. Whom to contact? District horticulture officer and the horticulture development officer.